So this is the crossbody tree exercise, except with a strap to assist this time, because this is a little aggressive in terms of range. So to warm into this, we still want to make sure that we're closing the chain, that we're having that connection with the ball of the foot, especially the head of that fourth metatarsal. But the strap gives us a little wiggle room with it. So we're going to have that come around the ball of the right foot. Try not to have it on the mid arch. Try to really have it over that, I guess it would be your transverse arch, focusing on that gas pedal, that pushing through in demi-point at that head of that fourth toe. We're going to use the left hand to we basically let the leg lift comfortably at whatever level is comfortable for you. So if that's here, that's fine. If you can get it up a little higher and choke up on the strap, just having those extra, 5-6 inches really makes the difference to be able to deepen into that stretch. So again now, as I shift into that left sits bone, same choreography. The leg doesn't swing in or swing out. It stays pretty vertically oriented as it was, and I shift on my pelvis, I spiral with my sternum. I find that even though I'm able to do this version of it, I can use the strap and I can get deeper into that stretch. Just to see what it looks like on this side of my body, I can spiral deeper into that to help work that sternal collapse. Just making sure that I'm not making it about the shoulder shrug. The shoulder will automatically sort of glide up and away as my sternum spirals in through. And I'm getting a really nice stretch in sort of my lower mid back, just those muscles right around how we often get tight right around that crest of the ilium. So it really helps to get that nice deep back body spiral stretch up and out of the pelvis. Inhaling into it and exhaling. Inhaling into it and exhaling. You can also take it through to the other side, same thing, where this hand would help us sort of recline back, tucking our tail, curling our sternum as we spiral through, and exhaling, making sure the leg doesn't go for the ride as well. We want to pull the leg a bit into center actually, and exhaling, inhaling into it, and exhaling one more time, and we'll inhale into it, and exhaling. We would locomote then. I walk a little bit on the butt just to let it integrate, and then we would try the same thing on the other side.